install the complete window, and I think we just installed successfully on our laptop. Okay, and then after we install successfully, we can double check Heroku CLI by our command line. We go to command line, okay, and open it. And after that, we can run this command Heroku login. Okay, sorry, I have error on my typing. Heroku login. Okay. You can see Heroku already installed on my laptop, and then we can type any key to open the browser, and after that we can click on login, and on this page we can input your account on Heroku and password for your account to log in. I click here and I click later. Okay, I'm the one to set up 2FA on my account, as I click on later, and you can see we just log in successfully on my browser from Heroku account, and then we can navigate to um, Heroku CLI on my command line, and you can see that we just log in successfully on my Heroku CLI. Yeah, that's the what step we should do in order to install and double check Heroku CLI on your laptop. Okay, if you get any trouble after we follow my video and practice on your laptop, you can type in your comment and let me know. I will support you later. Okay, thank you and bye bye.